Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the card and a Google account. Start now by signing into the account you want to fund. Once signed in, open the Play Store app and tap your profile icon at top right. Make sure you're on the correct account because redemption ties funds to it. Next, choose Redeem, enter the 16-digit code exactly as printed, and tap Confirm. This immediately adds the value to your Google Play balance, so avoid typos and check for similar characters like O versus 0. Once the credit posts, decide how you'll use it: apps, subscriptions, movies, or in-app purchases. Open any product page. Google will apply your Play balance automatically as the primary payment source unless you change it in payments and subscription settings, so make sure to confirm before hitting buy. If a purchase exceeds the balance, Google will prompt you to add a secondary payment method for the remainder. Remember that subscriptions renew automatically, so monitor the balance and linked payment methods to avoid. To finish, verify your Play balance and make a low-cost purchase to confirm funds applied. If the code fails, wait a few minutes then retry. Sometimes network or verification delays occur. If issues persist, take a clear photo of the card and receipt, then contact Google Play support. Provide the 16-digit code, purchase details, and your account email. Finally, keep screenshots of the balance and transaction history until the issue is resolved. This evidence speeds up refunds or credit correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.